Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change payment method on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first step is go to Amazon Prime website. Once you're here, click your little icon at the top right corner. And then click on account settings. I'm currently using my 7 days trial and I'm using my digital wallet as payment. Okay, so now, to change or add your new payment method, just click on Manage Wallet on the right side. Once you're here, you can add your credit card or debit card right here. And once you fill in all of this box, you can just tap the Add Card button right here. Once it's added, you can now swap to any payment method that you like, either digital wallet or your debit/credit card. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.